everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm here today with my husband John.
Hey guys.
We are headed to Lowe's. We're going to be building a table today. I am getting my new heat press. I'm getting a larger heat press, so I need something to hold like all of my heat presses, all of my attachments. We can't really seem to find what we need already built, so we are going to build one, which we've done that a lot. We built a lot of different projects together.
We're kind of trying to find or save money because we found a lot of tables.
Yeah.
They were like $300 and $400, and we can build something.
And we want it now, though.
Yeah, and we want it kind of now. But what we're building is gonna be stronger and better, and it's gonna be like $100.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that.
A couple $100, which is nice.
Always good to save when you can. So that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna go get the materials to build it. The kids are in school today, so we're gonna try and go ahead and build it. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Probably won't take too long because it's a pretty simple build. But that's what we're doing today. So we're gonna take you guys along with us with the building of the table, and then I'm gonna show you guys my new press. So stay tuned. I don't think, oh, there's an MDF right there. The MDF's $44. John was wanting to get plywood, but I convinced him to do the MDF. And he was up there climbing on bookshelves. He was climbing. A lady wanted a broom, and he climbed up the shelves. To...
I gotta get my climbing in for the day.
Yeah, I was like, oh, he climbs trees. Yeah, we're gonna have to climb to get this.
All of these should be straight.
So we just got done at Lowe's. I was saying John was, there was an older lady and she was getting a ladder to try and climb up and get a broom at the very top. And then we realized it was like, you had to go up through the top to get it. So John was climbing up the racks. He was up at the very top.
I don't know why they put them like that.
I don't know.
There's no way you could have got that without climbing 20 feet off the ground.
Yeah, but she was going to try and get it herself. That was just pitiful.
Yeah, that was sad.
But anyways, yeah, we just got our wood, and it was a lot cheaper than we thought because we got extra stuff and we had to get like other pool things, and it was only $130. So the table alone is probably only going to cost us, I don't know how much.
I would say less than 100.
Yeah, it'll be less than 100, and it'll be really durable and have shelves, but. Having some rain come in, so we had to move in the garage for a little bit, but we got the legs built, and I put some wood putty or wood filler on the screws. So John's building the other one. And after the legs are assembled, we'll go ahead and get it all put together. Okay, the whole bottom part is built. We got wood filler and all the screw holes. And now we just have to put the top and the shelf on. So that's what we're gonna do now. Here's the table all completed. It looks so good. John did a great job getting everything square and everything level. So it looks great. I might paint it eventually. I'm not sure exactly what color or what I'm gonna do, but for right now, I'm just gonna leave it natural and we're gonna go ahead and get it upstairs. So now I need to go clean everything up, but it looks really good. All right, so the heat press came in the mail, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Next task is trying to figure out how to get this thing out of the box. It is very well shipped, is it not, John?
Well, it weighs like 140 pounds.
Yeah, it weighs 140 pounds. There's wood around it and stuff, so we're gonna figure out how to get this out. All right, so John and I got the table up the stairs. We survived, didn't we, John? Mm-hmm. That was absolutely terrible, and this thing was heavy as heck.
No, the table was heavy.
That's what I was saying. The table was heavy. The heat press wasn't that bad. Oh my gosh, but yes, John's putting the extra little pieces together. Thank you for helping me build my stuff today, John.
Anytime.
And it's his birthday tomorrow, and he's helping me get my stuff.
I turned 21.
21? No, he's turning the big 30.
I'm getting old.
Look at the subscribers.
So this table turned out really nice. We ended up doing 7 feet long, and it's about 24 inches depth, and then what else? I think, what did we do, 30 inches tall?
Yeah, 30 inches tall, 24 inches deep, and 7 feet long.
So it's perfect. It'll fit, obviously, multiple presses. It'll fit a lot of different things. So, and we added the storage to the bottom, so that'll be really nice. That's nice.
Can I say hi to the subscribers again? I really like them.
Okay. So I know you're not supposed to keep a heat press closed. I just wanted to close it so you guys could see it a little bit more. But here is my new press. So exciting. It is the Heat Press Nation Signature Series 16 by 24 heat press. The reason I'm obsessed with this press is because when it's done, it auto opens at 0. And it also has this slide out drawer that automatically comes out. And you have, space I love that I have a larger area to work with. And the reason I really needed a larger press is because I'm doing a lot more with larger sublimation items and different things now, to where I was having to double press with my smaller press. And it was just really difficult, and I was having a lot of errors and mess ups. So this makes it to where I have just more space, and I can kind of do my commercial stuff with this press. And I obviously have my StarCraft press where I can do smaller items and like shirts and different things like that. So I can definitely utilize both of these, and I'm really excited about having, you know, the option to do both. But I love this press, you guys. I'm so excited. I got it at Heat Press Nation. I'm sure you guys have heard of them. They're an amazing company. And this thing was shipped so well. It was packaged. I've never seen anything packaged so well in my life. So it arrived safely. Everything looks great. We turned it on. Everything's working great. I'm going to have more videos coming soon where I'll kind of show you guys this. If any of you are looking at commercial presses, and you're kind of like curious to know like what stuff like this can do, I'll have more videos on that coming soon. But I am obsessed, and I will link down this exact one down below so you guys can see the exact one that I have. But yes, I am so happy with how this table turned out. It just looks so great. My husband did a really good job, and I have lots of storage and lots of space, lots of opportunities for more things. So yeah, now I'm going to open this back up because it's not good to leave your heat presses closed when they're not in use, but I love it. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for this craft room tour, or it's an extra craft room. This is going to be like my, I guess I'm going to have like my presses and my blanks and my items. It's a mess. I have like all my shirts on one, and then I have like blanks that I need to organize on another. But this room is coming along, and I'm going to get everything put together, and I'll show you guys the whole process of that coming up soon. But if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next one, which will be very soon. Bye.